Well, hi Rex. How are you today?
Oh, Chester, I'm like so freaking high. Like, holy fuck.
Dude, you know that totally messes up your brain cells?
You think I give a fuck? Fucking extinct, bitch. You're gonna be extinct too, so you wanna smoke up?
No, it's bad for me, you know? Gotta stay above the influence, like those commercials with the dog that talks to the fucking, bimbo girl.
Well, fuck the bimbo girl and the fucking talking dog. Like, take a joint, you know? Come on. Peer pressure. Come on.
No, I don't want to die.
Oh, you're not gonna die, you're fucking going to stink anyways. Come on, don't be a pussy. Ah. Feels good.
Okay.
Here you go. What?